नमस्कार। आर के प्रजापति चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। एनक्लेक्स बेस क्वेश्चन फॉर नॉट सेट प्रिपरेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द नर्स काउंट एन एडल्ट एपिकल हार्ट बीट एट 110 beats per minute. The nurse described this as option 1 asystole, option 2 bigeminy, option 3 tachycardia, option 4 bradycardia. Quick answer. Answer number 3 tachycardia, because heartbeat is 110 beats per minute. Correct answer is tachycardia. Next question. Question number 2, NCLEX based question. Question number 2, a client has a elevated AST 24 hours following chest pain and shortness of breath. This is suggestive of which of the following? Option 1 gallbladder disease, option 2 liver disease, option 3 myocardial infarction, option 4 skeletal muscles injury. Guess your answer and comment. Option 3 is the right answer. Myocardial infarction is the correct answer, because elevated is AST 24 hourly, chest pain and shortness of breath complaint of client. So answer is myocardial infarction. This question is helpful for not set 2021. Next question, question number 3. An adult has a coagulation time of 20 minutes. Coagulation time of 20 minutes. The nurse should observe the client for which of the following? Clotting time of 20 minutes. The nurse should observe the client for which of the following? Option 1 is blood clot. Option 2 is ecchymotic area. Option 3 is jaundice. Option 4 is infection. Option 2 is right answer. Ecchymotic area, because coagulation time is 20, so bleeding occur. Then assess the ecchymotic area. Nose, earlobe and capillary plexus. Assess nurse ecchymotic area is correct answer. Next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. A prothrombin time test should be performed. Prothrombin time test should be performed regularly on persons who are taking which medication. prothrombin time test करने के लिए कौन सी मेडिकेशन को रेगुलरली लिया जाता है? हेपेरिन, वारफेरिन, phenobarbital and digoxin. Guess your answer and comment. Option 1 is heparin, option 2 is warfarin, option 3 is phenobarbital, option 4 is digoxin. Correct answer. Comment. Option 2 is right answer, warfarin. Option 2 is right answer, warfarin. Next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. Which Prothrombin time value should be considered normal for a client who is receiving warfarin? पेशेंट को वारफेरिन थेरेपी चल रही है तो प्रोथ्रोम्बिन टाइम, नॉर्मल प्रोथ्रोम्बिन टाइम ऑप्शन 1 इज 12 सेकेंड, ऑप्शन 2 इज 20 सेकेंड, ऑप्शन 3 इज 60 सेकेंड, ऑप्शन 4 इज 98 सेकेंड. करेक्ट आंसर कमेंट. Right answer is 20 second. Right answer is 20 second. Because receiving warfarin therapy. Right answer is 20 seconds. Question number 6. Question number 6. The nurse is caring for a client who is receiving heparin. What drug should be readily available? पेशेंट को हेपेरिन थेरेपी चल रही है तो बेड साइड में कौन सी मेडिकेशन होना ज़रूरी है? व्हाट ड्रग्स शुड बी रीडीली अवेलेबल? ऑप्शन 1 इज विटामिन के, ऑप्शन 1 इज विटामिन के, ऑप्शन 2 कैफीन, ऑप्शन 3 कैल्शियम ग्लूकोनेट, ऑप्शन 4 प्रोटामिन सल्फेट, ऑप्शन 4 प्रोटामिन सल्फेट. गेस योर आंसर. Option 4 is right answer. Protamine sulfate is right answer. Protamine sulfate is right answer because heparin client who is receiving heparin antagonist is protamine sulfate. So correct answer is protamine sulfate. Next question. Question number 7. An adult who is receiving heparin asks the nurse why it cannot be given by mouth. The nurse responds that heparin is given parenterally because. एक एडल्ट है जो कि नर्स से पूछ रहा है कि हेपेरिन को माउथ के थ्रू क्यों नहीं दिया जाता है जबकि इसको पेरेंटली दिया जाता है. क्या कारण है कि इसको माउथ से नहीं दिया जाता है? ऑप्शन 1 इज इट इज डिस्टर्ब बाय गैस्ट्रिक सीक्रेशन, ऑप्शन 2 इज irritate the gastric mucosa, option 3 is irritate the intestinal lining, option 4 therapeutic level can be achieved more quickly, option 4 therapeutic level can be achieved more quickly. Option 1 is right answer because it is destroy by gastric secretion. gastric secretion के थ्रू डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है इसलिए इसको जीआईटी के थ्रू नहीं दिया जाता है. Next question. Next question. An adult who is admitted for cardiac catheterization asks the nurse if she will be asleep during the cardiac catheterization. What is the best initial response for the nurse to make? An adult who is admitted for a client catheterization asks the nurse if she will asleep during cardiac catheterization. What is the best initial response for the nurse to make? पेशेंट बोल रहा है कि asleep during cardiac catheterization. तो नर्स क्या रेस्पॉन्स देगी? ऑप्शन देखते हैं. ऑप्शन 5 you will be given a general anesthesia. You will be sedated but not asleep. The doctor will give you an anesthetic if you are having too much pain. Option 4 why do you want to be asleep? Question number 2 is right. Option number 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. You will be sedated. You will be sedated but not asleep. You will be sedated but not asleep. Option 2 is right answer. Next question. Question number 9. During the admission interview, a client who is admitted for cardiac catheterization, says, "Every time I eat shrimp, I get a rash. What action is essential for the nurse to take at this time? Notify the physician. Ask the client if she get a rash from any other foods. Option 3. Instruct the dietary department not to give the client shrimps. Option 4. Teach the client the dangers of eating shrimp and other shellfish. Option 1 is right answer. Notify the physician because allergy. Because allergy for shellfish. Which interfere in cardiac catheterization. Right answer is 1. Notify the physician. Next question. Question number 10. Next question. Question number 10. The nurse is preparing a client for a cardiac catheterization. Which action should the nurse expect to take? The nurse is preparing a client for cardiac catheterization. Which nurse should the nurse expect to take? Administer a radioisotope as ordered. Give the client his cleaning enema. Locate and mark peripheral pulse. Encourage high fluid intake before the test. प्रिपेयर किया जा रहा है कार्डियक कैथेटराइजेशन के लिए. नर्स क्या एक्सपेक्ट करेगी? क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Guess your answer. Correct answer is 3. Located and mark peripheral pulse. Locate and mark peripheral pulse is right answer. Question number next. When a client return from undergoing a cardiac catheterization, एक क्लाइंट को रिटर्न किया जा रहा है कहाँ से? कार्डियक कैथेटराइजेशन से. It is most essential for the nurse to check peripheral pulse, maintain NPO, apply heat to the insertion site, start range of motion exercise immediately. Guess your answer. And comment. Option 1 is right answer. Check peripheral pulses is right answer. Option 1 is right answer. Next question. The nurse is teaching an adult who has angina about taking nitroglycerin. The nurse tells him he will know the nitroglycerin is effective. Nitroglycerin is effective when he experiences tingling under the tongue, his pulse rate increase, his pain subside, his activity tolerance increase. Right answer is 3. His pain is subsided. Nitroglycerin is effectiveness. His pain is subsided. Next question. An adult client is admitted with a diagnosis of left-sided congestive heart failure. Which assessment finding would most likely to be present? Left-sided congestive heart failure है. Option 1 is distended neck veins. Option 2 is dyspnea. Option 3 is hepatomegaly. Option 3 is pitting edema. Option 3 is pitting edema. Guess your answer. Yes, your answer. Yes, your answer. Option 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. Because option 1, 3 and 4 is a right-sided congestive heart failure. Because option 1, 3, 4 is right-sided congestive heart failure sign. So option 2 is left-sided congested heart failure. Option 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. Next question. Digoxin and furosemide are ordered. Digoxin and furosemide are ordered for a client who has congestive heart failure. कंजेस्टिव हार्ट फेलियर है जो डिजॉक्सिन और फ्रिसिमाइड रिसीव कर रहा है. डिजॉक्सिन एंड फ्रिसिमाइड रिसीव कर रहा है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वुड द नर्स आल्सो एक्सपेक्ट टू बी ऑर्डर फॉर दिस क्लाइंट. उस क्लाइंट के लिए क्या ऑर्डर किया जाएगा. ऑप्शन 1 इज पोटेशियम. ऑप्शन 2 इज कैल्शियम. ऑप्शन 3 इज एस्पिरिन. ऑप्शन 4 इज कुमेडिन. ऑप्शन 1 इज पोटेशियम. ऑप्शन 2 इज कैल्शियम. ऑप्शन 3 इज एस्पिरिन. ऑप्शन 4 इज कुमेडिन. गेस योर आंसर एंड कमेंट. ऑप्शन 1 इज राइट आंसर. ऑप्शन 1 इज राइट आंसर. पोटेशियम को ऑर्डर किया जाएगा बिकॉज डिजॉक्सिन एंड फ्रिसिमाइड लॉसेस पोटेशियम आयन. लॉसेस पोटेशियम आयन. सो ऑर्डर फॉर पोटेशियम. ऑप्शन 1 इज राइट आंसर. ऑप्शन 1 इज राइट आंसर. ऑप्शन 1 इज राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. An adult client is admitted to the hospital with peripheral vascular disease. An adult client is admitted to the hospital with peripheral vascular disease of the lower extremity. Lower extremity. He has several ischemic ulcer on each ankle and lower leg area. Other part his skin are shiny and taut with loss of hair. A primary nursing goal for this client should be to do which of the following. इश्यमिक अल्सर जो कि पेरिफेरल वस्कुलर डिजीज है. ऑप्शन 1 इज इंक्रीज एक्टिविटी टॉलरेंस. ऑप्शन 2 इज रिलीव एंजाइटी. ऑप्शन 3 इज प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम इंजरी. ऑप्शन 4 इज हेल्प बिल्ड ए पॉजिटिव बॉडी इमेज. नर्सिंग गोल. प्राइमरी नर्सिंग गोल. प्राइमरी नर्सिंग गोल is option number 3. Option number 3 is right answer. Protect from injury. First priority. First priority option is 3. Protect from injury is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Next question. Next question. Next question. An adult is diagnosed with hypertension. Hypertension है. He is prescribed chlorothiazide. He prescribed chlorothiazide 500 mg per orally. What nursing instruction is essential for him? What nursing instruction is essential for him? Option 1. Drink at least 2 quarts of daily liquid daily. Drink at least 2 quarts of liquid daily. Option 2 is avoid hard cheeses. Option 3 is drink orange juice or eat a banana daily. Option 4 do not take aspirin. Option 4 do not take aspirin. Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Drink orange juice or eat a banana daily. Orange juices or eat a banana daily. Banana daily. Drink orange juices or eat a banana daily because chlorothiazide is a potassium losses. Next question. A low sodium diet has been ordered for an adult client. The nurse knows that the client understands his low sodium diet. When the client select which menu low sodium diet select करनी है. Option 1 toast salad, carrot steak and steak. Option 2 baked chicken, mashed potato and green beans. Option 3 is hot dog, roll and coleslaw. Option 4 is chicken noodle soup and applesauce and cotton cheese. Option 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. Baked chicken, mashed potato and green beans is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. Option 2 is right answer. Next question. Which assessment finding would most likely indicate that client has thrombopelvitis in leg? Thrombopelvitis in the leg. Which assessment finding? Diminished pedal pulses, color changes in extremity when elevated. Option 3 red shiny skin. Option 4 coolness and pallor in leg. Thrombopelvitis in the leg. Assessment. Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Red and shiny skin. Red and shiny skin. Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Red and shiny skin. Next question. What should be included in the teaching plan for a adult who has hypertension? Patient who has hypertension. Which teaching plan? Reduce dietary calcium. Option 2 avoid aerobic exercise. Option 3 reduce alcohol intake. Option 4 limit fluid intake. Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Reduce alcohol intake. Reduce alcohol intake is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Next question. Next question. The licensed practical nurse. The licensed practical nurse is assisting the registered nurse in developing nursing care plan for an older adult who has congestive heart failure. Which nursing diagnosis is most likely to be included? Option 1 is deficient fluid volume. Option 2 impaired verbal communication. Option 3 chronic pain. Option 4 is activity intolerance. Option 4 is right answer. Option 4 is right answer. Activity intolerance is right answer. Option 4 is right answer. Next question. An adult is admitted with venous thromboembolism. What treatment should be nurse expected during acute stage? What treatment should the nurse expect during the acute stage? Option 1 application of an elastic stocking. Option 2 ambulation 3 times a day. Option 3 passive range of motion exercise to the legs. Option 4 use of ice pack to control pain. Use of ice pack to control pain. Option 1 is right answer. Application of an elastic stocking. Application and elastic stocking is right answer. Next question. Next question. What should be included in photo care for the client who has peripheral vascular disorder? What should be included in foot care for the client who has peripheral vascular disease? Option 1 soaking the foot. Soaking the feet for 20 minutes before washing them. Walking barefoot only in carpeted floor. Option 3 applying lotion between the toes to avoid cracking of the skin. Option 4 avoiding exposure of the legs and feet to the sun. Option 4 is right answer. Option 4 is right answer. Avoiding exposure of the legs and feet to the sun. Avoiding exposure of the legs and feet to the sun is right answer. Thank you for watching.